So if you had to take out your crystal ball, and where do you see, how do you see things evolving over sort of the next, I don't know, 3 to 5? Because any further than that's ridiculous to even talk about. I mean, 5 years is ridiculous to talk about to begin with, but we'll limit it there. Where do you see this all heading? Like, where do you think we're going to be 5 years from now?
Yeah, I definitely see there's going to be lots of jobs that are going to be lost. And so it's very important for people to be nimble and to see the writing on the wall. So if you are in an industry and you are going to have a job that is going to be overtaken by AI, it's best to start getting education and training on something else and seek a new career, seek a new business, a new side hustle, whatever it is, because AI is estimated that it's going to replace like 300 million jobs or something like that. Is what I heard. Is that the correct statistic? 300 million, 3 million? I don't know
Yeah,
what the number.
probably. Yeah. I'd say that's a low estimate globally, but
So,
yeah.
some astounding, number of jobs, 300 million jobs in the world, right? And we have a world of 8 billion people at the time of this podcast recording. So I would say, yeah, I think it's going to take over. I think it's very smart for you to be also to have your own business. To be honest with you, I think it's good to be a master of your own domain and be in a business where you can use AI to help out your clients, and that is also going to be AI proof. So think about, you could, ask AI, hey, what are the business ideas that I can create that where you will never be able to take over my job?
Yeah.
Soon as that.
You're gonna be a tradesperson, I think. Electrician, that sort of thing, service.
You're right.